I'm a little timid, so it's hard to make friends. Is there any way to make friends easily?
Some people say they have trouble making friends. You don't make a friend by trying to befriend them. If you want to have a good friend, work hard on whatever you are doing. To have a good friend, if you work hard, then people matching your character will come to you. If you are hardworking, then like-minded friends will come. If you have a hobby, have fun doing it, then a friend who can relate to what you do will come. You can't make a good friend by wanting to befriend someone. If you do, you will lose the upper hand in the relationship. If you work hard, you will be noticed by others and approach you. Listen to them with interest and respond sincerely. Then both of you will become closer. Have them come to you. You can't make good friends if you approach them with the intention of making friends. But if you do whatever you do diligently, they will come to you automatically. People will come to you one by one. A bunch of people will not come to you all at the same time. If you are a student, enjoy studying hard. Then someone will come and talk to you. Treat this person well. Have a good conversation and listen to them well. Then you will have found a good friend. If you want to make good friends, you must first listen to them well, rather than talk. But if you talk too much, then you can't become friends. If you listen to them well, both of you will become closer. Why? Even parents don't pay attention to their children's words. People feel no one is listening to them. But if someone listens to them, then they become friends. If you pay attention to what they are saying and listen to them well, they start listening to what you say. This is how to make good friends. Don't feel bad for not having any friends. Just study and devote yourself to the task of developing yourself. Working diligently doesn't mean just studying hard. You should have fun doing it. If you enjoy studying, then someone who wants to befriend you and have fun together will come for sure. So if you try to make a friend first, a true friend will not come. This is how you should understand it. Do you understand?